Video is about removing the ransomware called SULINFORMATICA. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files and possibly to recover your files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this SULINFORMATICA ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware may be found in the task manager, so indeed it encrypts files and appends this AES extension to the file names. It is called SULINFORMATICA because this word is mentioned in the ransom note. You should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And then the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then, after the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. So take your time and wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. Once again, remember that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Premium license is what you need. And speaking about file recovery, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.